Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my weekly B-boy tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to do the baby knee rocks. And like always, before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also remember to turn on the notification icon because I upload 2 videos every week. So by turning the notification icon, it will notify you whenever there's a new upload. So the steps for the baby knee rocks and the Babylove, also known as 12 steps, is quite similar. But we're not gonna touch on the Babylove. What I want to say is, if you already mastered the Babylove or the 12 step, then when you get back into this baby knee rocks tutorial, it will be more easier because the step is similar. But if you haven't learned the Babylove, I'm gonna put the link on the description below, also on top here. You can click it. But don't worry about it. We're just gonna start from scratch on these baby knee rocks, and let's start. Now we're gonna start from the push-up positions. Now from these push-up positions, you're going to do the first step, and the first step is you're going to put your left knee in front of your right leg. Alright? Quite simple. And then for the second step, you're going to put your right knee beside your left knee. Alright? Later on, I'm going to go to the tips and tricks, but for now we're just gonna remember all the steps first. Now for the third step, bring your left leg and put it to the back of your right leg. Alright. For the last steps, we're going going back to the push-up positions. 2, 3, 4. After we getting the basic step done, the next thing we're gonna do is the placement or the positions of your footwork in each step. The step that we're gonna look into it or looking for the detail is when your first step to your second step. That's the most important step, where your left knee is on the ground and followed by your right knee. Now I'm gonna face to the back so you can see my knees better. I'm gonna start from the first step. Step 1 and step 2. Okay, you can see when I'm going to the second step from the step 1, my left knee is kind of follow through with my right knee. Okay, so you want to make sure that your left knee and your right knee, your legs are aligned. Okay, if you want to align it, then you need to move your hip a little bit to the right. One more time. Step 1, and now I'm gonna move my hip to the right. You can see, so my knee is aligned together. Okay, if you don't move your hip, then the posture will be very bad. It will look something like this. We already finished with the basic steps, and also we already finished with the leg placement on each step. Now we're getting into the hand placement. For the hand placement, we're just gonna keep it simple. So for the step 1 and step 2, your left hand is on the ground. Okay, which means that you're gonna bring your right hand up. Let's try. So 1, 2. Alright, now for the third step, bring your right hand down and bring your left hand up. 3. For the last step, or going back to push-up positions, put your left hand back to the ground again, so both hands are on the ground. 4. So first step and second step, left hand on the ground. Third step, right hand on the ground. And the last step, or the push-up positions, both hands are on the ground. It does take some time to get used to the whole thing, because when you're doing these baby knee rocks, it's just like you're doing Babylove, you know. A lot of things going on, your hips, your hand, but you know, just keep practicing and everything will be going smooth. Alright, so now let's combine all the things I said and let's see how it looks. There you go, the baby knee rocks, a great addition into your footwork variations. That's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.